Hello class, I had to leave to go to a meeting today, so I wanted to go over what you need to do while I'm gone in class today. You should be on the classroom and you should be watching this video from the first post. And so this is what I want you to work on today. When I get back on Thursday, we will record your pop fly demonstrations so we can share those with our friends in Massachusetts and in Nigeria. But today you're going to complete a couple activities to get us ready for the next challenge. First, you're going to be introduced to assistive technology. So you're going to watch this video. Notice that I only want you to watch the first minute and 40 seconds, and then you can stop. You don't have to watch the rest of the video. When you watch that, you're going to see some examples and some information about assistive technology. And then you're going to open up a Google document. You will need to make a copy of this before you can type on it. So you're going to click on it, and then it's going to open for you as view only. And all you have to do is go to File, make a copy, and then you will be able to type on it. When you type on it, you're going to fill out your information in the boxes to the right. This explanation applies to these items. So you do not type in the black space, obviously. That's why it's black. You will type out beside these items to explain the type of technology that could help in these situations. And then you'll plug some words in to complete this sentence at the bottom. If you want to change your font color or anything while you're typing, that is perfectly fine. And that will save for you in Google. You don't have to do anything with it right now. Just complete it, and then you can X out of it. Then you're going to go down to the Newsela website, and you're going to read about some technology, some new assistive technology that's coming around with 3D printers and for kids. So you're going to go to the Newsela link, and you're going to sign in to Newsela. You're going to see this home screen first, and you're going to click sign in with your Google account. And it's going to ask you to connect, and you're going to allow it. I'm signed in as Thomas right now, and you will see your name here when you sign in. Alright, once you've signed in and you see your name, you're going to go into the binder. And in the assignment binder, you're going to see that I have given you an article to read. It's right below this chart. And so you're going to click on that article. It's going to load up. Kids and RoboHands. A couple things you need to do first. First, you need to set your Lexile level. You're going to get a half sheet of paper, and it's going to have your Lexile level written on it. You need to choose the Lexile that's closest to your Lexile level for reading. And this helps you be able to understand the words as you read. So first you set the Lexile that's closest to yours. So I'm going to choose the Lexile closest, and then I'm going to read the article. As I read, I can highlight information that I think is important. I can even type notes to myself. While I read. So that's an option. And I can get rid of those if I want to. So I can highlight and make notes as I read. That's called annotating. It's something you'll have to do a lot in high school, so it's a good idea to practice now. So you're going to read through your article. I would suggest that you read very carefully. You may want to read this article twice, because you are going to answer the quiz questions. So at your prescribed level, you're going to click quiz, and you're going to see 4 questions. These are multiple choice. You can choose your answer on the screen and go to the next question, and on the last question you'll see the submit button, and that will grade it for you. Do not click submit until you have answered all 4 and you are sure of your answers. Read carefully. Look back in the article if you need to, and make sure you're picking the best answer. everyone who's done this that went too fast and did not read carefully had a very low score on the quiz questions because they try to trick you. So read carefully. So you're going to answer the 4 questions at your level. Then you're going to drop down a level and you're going to answer those 4 questions. So you're going to answer questions at 2 levels, whichever 2 levels that are closest or slightly below your Lexile. You're going to answer those 4 questions on the screen again, and you're going to record your results on the half sheet of paper that I've given you. Okay? So you're going to read and you're going to answer 2 quizzes for 2 different levels, and you'll write down the level on your paper and you'll write down how many questions you got out of 4 questions for each of those. When you finish, you're going to come back over to the classroom and you're going to see the prompt. This is a writing response prompt. You're going to go to the form and you are going to type your name and you're going to type your response in the form of a short paragraph to explain another way you think 3D printers might improve people's lives now or in the future. You need to use at least 2 details from the article. Now in the article it already tells you how 3D printers help people by giving them prosthetic arms. So you need to tell about a different way, not prosthetic arms, not prosthetic legs. It needs to be another way you think 3D printers could help us or improve our lives in the future. So you're going to have to think about that and come up with another kind of way, not what the article already told you, and then use some details from the article. So you can jump right back over here and look for those details. And you're going to type your answer here and you're going to submit that. When you finish, you're going to open up this assignment and you're going to mark it done. So that's what you need to do today. If you haven't finished or answered the questions about your pop fly, make sure you do that, and when you do it, open it, mark it done. You may have done it last week, but you didn't mark it done. So go back on there. If you know that you already did it, don't answer them again. Just go ahead and mark it done, and we can verify that later. I've got the other class solutions that you can watch the videos if you didn't watch last week, but I'm looking for you to have finished this and the news and prompt when I get back. Okay? So, there's your directions. Hope you have a great day.